So fog is a great way to add some depth and atmosphere to your scene. We're gonna do this with what's called an exponential height fog. And if we just drag it in, you can already see the difference it makes when it's in and out. I'm gonna put it in the rendering folder right there. I'm gonna change the fog in scattering color to white instead of this very light blue we have here. You can kind of see the difference right there. And just to show you, I'm going to turn the density up to, oops. And just to kind of show you the effect it has, I'm going to change this fog density to something like 0.1. And you can see how good this could look for an exterior scene. Of course, this much fog doesn't make quite as much sense for an interior, so I'm going to put this at something like 0.04. Which is still rather thick for an interior, but I really like the look that it gives. The fog also accentuates the grain, which we could turn down a bit too, but I think it's at a good level at the moment. So we can also turn up the start distance. Right now the fog starts right where we are. So if we turn this up, you can kind of see how it starts farther away from us. I'm going to make it start at something like 500, so where we directly stand, there's no fog in us, it's more in the distance. If this was an exterior scene, you'd probably want this a good amount higher, but it really depends how foggy you're trying to make your scene. So this was a very short episode on exponential height fog. There's not a lot you should do with it when it's an interior scene, but it definitely helps with the atmosphere. This is it with it off, and this is on. So I think it's a good addition.